In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Basecamp To-Do data. Exporting your to-do data is really helpful if you want to back things up, analyze your tasks in another tool, or share a snapshot of your work with clients or teammates. I'll walk you through the exact process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to click and what to expect. First, start by logging into your Basecamp account as you normally would. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the main account settings area. In many versions of Basecamp, this is called Admin Land, but it may appear as an account or admin settings link depending on your setup. Go ahead and click that. This is the place where you manage account level options, and it's where the export feature lives. Inside the admin area, you'll see different tools and settings for your account. What you're looking for is the option that says something like Export data from this account. It may be grouped with other account management or data tools. Once you find that option, click it to start the export process. Next, you'll be asked to choose exactly what you want to export. Here, you can decide whether you want to export specific projects or everything in your account. If you only need to-do data from certain projects, carefully select just those. This can keep the export file smaller and easier to work with later. If you're not sure what you'll need, or you want a complete backup, you can choose to export all projects instead. Take a moment to double-check your selections before moving on. When you're ready, click the button to export your data. The label will be something like Export My Data. After you click it, Basecamp will start preparing a zip file that contains your exported information, including the to-do data from the projects you selected. This preparation step runs in the background and can take some time, especially if your account has a lot of projects, messages, and files. You don't need to stay on the page. Basecamp will send you an email when the export is ready. That email will include a link you can click to download the .zip file to your computer. Once you receive the email, click the link, download the .zip file, and save it somewhere you can easily find later. From there, you can unzip it and work with your Basecamp To-Do data in whatever tool or format you prefer.